Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch from those costly Revo payments back to a standard and pay it all off in one clean shot. But before we dive into the steps, there are two incredibly important things you need to watch out for to protect your wallet. The first trap is the automatic revolving feature. When left active, this hidden setting automatically converts every single purchase you make into a revolving payment, even if you explicitly ask the cashier for a one-time charge. You must disable this immediately. The second trap is missing your monthly deadline. Depending on how your bank link is configured, your account has a strict adjustment cutoff on either the 10th, 15th, or 20th of the month. You can check the app, which I'll show you later in this video. First, open your PayPay app and slide left. Tap on the card icon. This brings up your current month's unfixed statement balance. For example, mine right now is showing 46,649 yen. Scroll down and look at payment amount adjustment. Right here, it says July 20th. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, it might show the 10th or 15th. Make sure you act before this date. To start, tap adjustment. When you first apply for a PayPay card, the automatic Flat Revo option is often checked by default. To disable it, tap on Flat Revo. If your screen says In Use, you must tap Cancel and submit it. If your screen looks like mine and says Register, congratulations, it's already turned off and you're safe. Scrolling down shows total Revo amount with the total balance. Now, what if you already have a massive revolving balance and want to clear it out completely? Look under Total Revo Amount. You'll see separate breakdowns for Shopping Revo and Cashing Revo. To clear everything at once, tap on Lump Sum Revo Balance Payment. Under the shopping section, select Full Lump Sum Payment. Do the exact same thing for the cashing section. Scroll to the bottom and tap the blue button that says Proceed to Confirmation Screen. Double-check that everything is set to full amount, and then hit Apply. You'll see a success message saying your application is complete. Don't panic if your app's main dashboard bill amount doesn't change immediately after doing this. It typically takes 1 to 2 days for the system to recalculate and add the remaining Revo balance to your current month's bill. Once it updates, you can pay it all off in one clean shot. If this guide saved you money, please drop a like, leave your questions below, and subscribe for more practical financial strategies. See you in the next video.